Solar panels are becoming a popular source of green energy worldwide. Naturally, amateur radio operators, known otherwise as ham radio operators, are also moving on to solar panels for running their amateur radio stations. At one extreme, we have hams located in remote regions with no availability of electric power from the grid who have to depend solely on solar energy. More often, it is solar energy supplementing power supply from the grid. Another popular use of solar panels in ham radio is for portable operations. Many use lithium iron phosphate batteries for portable operations as they are lightweight compared to conventional lead acid batteries. Solar panels are used to charge these batteries in the field. Foldable solar panels are lightweight and can easily fit into the backpack while on the move for portable operations, which could be a hilltop in case of SOTA. There are many who have fixed solar panels on top of their recreational vehicles used for amateur radio operations, giving a lot of power in the field. Had a look at the type of solar panels. They are basically of three types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Thin film variety is the foldable one, which is often seen in the backpacks of SOTA operators, being quite lightweight. But they are also the least efficient among the three. They are made of amorphous silicon or other materials like cadmium telluride and indium gallium. Thin film solar panels are best for low power operations as they may become more expensive at high power applications. Monocrystalline variety made of single crystals of silicon, as the name implies, are the most efficient and most expensive ones. Polycrystalline solar panels come in between in the cost and efficiency. Hence, they are popular for regular non-portable applications. There are other components in addition to solar panels when we think of solar power supplies. One is a solar inverter, which converts the energy to the appropriate voltage for consumption. If solar inverters are not of good quality, they can produce a lot of radio frequency interference with amateur radio receivers. I have seen many radio amateurs posting difficulties faced due to solar inverters in the neighborhood, often curtailing their amateur radio operations. According to a document published at the US National Renewable Energy Laboratory website, inverters produce only extremely low frequency electromagnetic interference similar to electrical appliances. At a distance of 150 feet from the inverters, the electromagnetic field is near background levels. Interference can be reduced by proper inverter enclosure grounding, filtering, and circuit layout. It is also mentioned that no interference is expected above 1 MHz. Even at lower frequencies between 100 kHz and 1 MHz, risk of interference is low because of the extremely long wavelengths limiting propagation of the signal. Exceptions to this general rule has also been mentioned because some power electronics equipment operate at a higher frequency. But regulatory requirements ensure that the radiation at 100 feet is not more than that of a cell phone at 1 mile. Everyone should use proper devices meeting the regulatory requirements. Storage battery with a good charging circuit, which will prevent overcharging, is also needed as part of the solar power supply. Solar panels in general have a projected lifespan of 2 decades and needs substantial investment if you are planning an off-grid power supply. Hence, you have to choose the best option suited for your budget and requirements.